What's up guys, just unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I've got the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In terms of size comparison, they're both quite similar, still easy to hold in the hand, still easy to use all the functions just with the one thumb or finger, and the weight is not too different either. You can see here just the comparison between the two. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max obviously gives you a little bit more real estate for use, for social media and videos and all that. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.